Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can use promo codes inside your email newsletter. Stick with me till the end of this video. I'm Pedro and I'll walk you through it. Here we are in the newsletter editor, and let me show you how you can add the promo codes to this newsletter. We already have one here as it is part of the template. I will delete it, and we just need to go to the commerce tab here, and then we just drag and drop the code and it will appear here. And the cool part here is that you can add your own code here, you can write, or you can import from Shopify. And we did that, we have the integration, and if you also have that, you will be able to see your codes here, and you just select, and then you can change the text, you can change the color here so that we can see a little bit better. The lines on the borders, we can also do that, so that people will see it a little bit better. So this will be very convenient for you if you have the integration to just use your existing codes from Shopify, and you can retarget your lost customers and also reward the loyal ones. And as you can go through here, you will see that there are various things that you can edit, and one cool one will be to edit the border radius, because you can make it round as well, like that. If you increase the numbers, it will just get rounder. And if you go back to 0, you get a rectangle. And you can also change the size. You can go here and increase, and this will work individually or as a whole. You can do that as well as a whole, and the padding as well. Not forgetting that you can also change the color here, and you can do that. Not ideal. And let's do the transparent, as it would not match in any other way in this block, just to show you how it would be. And you can lastly hide on mobile devices too. This is a very convenient way for you to use promo codes, especially if you already have an integration with Shopify. And lastly, this will be great if you couple it with the other e-commerce blocks. That would make your newsletter perfect for your existing customers. You can even do that with recommended products, have it side by side, and send it to your customers. And you might be interested in this one too. We are using a template that already has the promo code, and if I go back to design and content, let's leave the page, you will see that we added a few with included promo codes, and you will be able to use them as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you a great day.